So I'm going to show you exactly how to deposit money into your Phantom wallet. There are two main methods you can use, and I'll walk you through both of them step by step so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's start with the method most people use. Open your Phantom wallet and tap receive. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Make sure you choose a coin that you already own in another exchange or wallet. For example, I'm going to deposit SOL because I already have some Solana inside my Bybit account. Tap Solana, then tap the wallet address to copy it. This is the address where your funds will be sent. Now go to the exchange or wallet that holds your crypto. I'll use Bybit as an example, but this works the same way with Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, OKX, or any other exchange. Inside Bybit, tap Assets in the bottom right corner. Open your funding or spot wallet, wherever your Solana is stored. Select Solana, then tap Withdraw. Paste the Phantom address you copied earlier. For the network, be sure to choose Solana, SOL. Pick the amount you want to send. I'll select Max, and then tap Withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal, complete any security verification, and your request will be submitted. Within a minute or two, your Solana will appear in Phantom. That's the first and most common method. Now, let's talk about the second method. Buying crypto directly inside Phantom using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or your credit or debit card. For this, open the Phantom wallet again and tap Buy. Choose the coin you want. I'll select Solana once again. Enter the amount you want to purchase, for example, $100. Below, you'll see your available payment methods. Tap Pay With, and you can select Apple Pay, PayPal, or your card depending on what's available in your region. After choosing the payment option, Phantom will show supported partners such as Transact or MoonPay. Select the provider you prefer, tap Buy, and you'll be redirected to complete the purchase. Fill in your details, confirm the payment, and the crypto will automatically be deposited into your Phantom wallet. Just like before, wait a minute or two and the balance will appear in your account. And that's it. You now know two reliable ways to deposit money into Phantom wallet from another exchange or buy directly inside the wallet using Apple Pay or a debit card. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy money depositing.